I'm sure you have ChatGPT on your phone or your mobile device. In this video, I want to show you 5 simple steps in which you can take and start making money from ChatGPT instantly. All you have to do for me is to watch this video from now until the end of this video, because you cannot afford to miss a single step as we go through how to make money online. Again, I will repeat, please do not skip any part. Watch this video up until the end, and when you start implementing, you implement from beginning to the end. And after you're done with this video, one other thing I want you to do is please open your laptop and start practicing this. And if you can also do this on your phone, yes, it works on your mobile device. All right, without further ado, let's go straight in. So I'll show you how this works. So the first thing you want to do is to come on Google Trends. It's as simple. You just type Google Trends and it will redirect you to Google Trends. Now, all you have to do is to click on this on the Google search bar, Google Trends, and it will redirect you to the Google Trends site. Now, Google Trend is simply a strategy in which Google tell you what is trending, and the most trending topics in the time being. Now, what you want to do is to come here and click on Trending Now. Now, when you click on Trending Now, it's going to redirect you to the most recent searches that are trending now. But again, what I want to do is to come here on the location. You can actually pick any location you want and click on, I'm going to go with United States of America. Now, the reason why I'm going to go with United States of America is for everything we want to do, it has a higher buying power. It has a higher buying power, and a lot of advertisers and a lot of companies pay more for searches from the United States. Now, what you want to do is to come here and see the most trending topics from Google search in the United States. Now, you see this, we have Mahomes helmet here. So what we want to do, right, is to copy this, because already this has over 100k search. All right. Now, what you want to do is to come on ChatGPT. Now, there's a reason why my ChatGPT is reflecting this way, and it is because I have a Chrome extension called the AIPRM Chrome extension, and all you have to do is to go on and click on AIPRM Chrome extension from Chrome browser, and then you would install this Chrome extension, and suddenly your display would look this way. And it's important that it looks this way because there are other upgrades to the ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT 3.5, and that enables a higher level of productivity, right, and access. Now, what you want to do is to come here and click on human written 100% unique SEO optimized article, right? I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to come here and paste what we search for, and then you'll click on this button, and then it will produce what we are looking for. So clearly what this has done for us is that it has produced a content for us. Now, remember that this content has over 100,000 searches in the United States of America. Now, the next thing we want to do after we have created this content is to come here on Google and click on and type Google site. Come here and click on Google site. Now, it's going to open this for us. Now, Google site is simply a free Google enhanced website creator, or a site in which you can place articles or place content, written content, share this link with people, and then these people are able to, watch your content, read your content, or watch your content, because you can also embed within this a redirect YouTube link. Now, what you want to do here, there are templates here already with which we can use, but we want to use a blank template. So we want to click on blank template, and it's going to redirect you here. So what you want to do here is that what you are searching for, or what people are searching for, is actually so what we're going to do, we're going to paste it here. What we're searching for, you see, so Mahomes helmet. This is actually too small. So the next thing we want to do is to edit this. Now, the first thing we want to do is to increase our font size. This is actually too small, so I'm going to go with 36. The next thing we want to do is to change our font color. I'm going to make this white because the background is already dark, so it needs to be brighter. So I feel this size is too small, so I'm just going to increase the size a little bit more. Now, the next thing we want to do is to paste our content here, which is the text we've covered. So I'm just going to come here and drag this here. So what you want to do next is to double click, and then it's going to hover this this feature. You want to click on this text, so it will create a new folder for you where you would paste your text. So what you want to do next is to come back to ChatGPT and copy all of the content it has created for you. Now, so what we want to do here is to copy everything it has created for us, every content it has created for us, starting from the introduction. Ctrl C, and then I'm going to come here on my Google site and paste this. So you see that this has created for us a very unique content in which we can paste anywhere we want. Now, the only thing that this content is lacking as an article is the fact that it does not have a picture. Now, you can actually get a picture anywhere you want. All we have to do, right, is to come here, copy our initial title, and come to pixel.com. Pixel.com is actually a website in which you can get free pictures. All you have to do on pixel.com is to paste it. You can also use Pixabay for this. So we want to paste this and click on our search button to see what comes out, to see what we can actually use. Now there are not so much we can use here, but we can actually pick anything here and make use of it. Now it's very important that you pick a picture that is portrayed in a landscape mode. That way it fits into your article properly. You don't know what to use a picture like this. So I'm going to download this image, right? It's going to be downloaded into my computer. So what I want to do is come back to our article which we have created already here. And before the beginning of our article, we want to create a simple. So we're going to come here and click on image, upload image, and simply it's going to take me to my computer, and I'm going to go to my downloads. And this is the picture. Hold on a minute. So we have it here now, but it's very important that the position of the image is centralized. So I'm just gonna move it to the center, move it to the center, and then increase the size so it fits. Basically what you want to do is to just make this look good enough for whoever is reading your article. You want to make this good enough. Now the next step will be how to monetize, of course, this content which we've created with ChatGPT. Now what we're going to be using to monetize this content is CPA marketing. Now CPA marketing, right, is an easier form of affiliate marketing. In other words, CPA marketing do not actually require people to buy any product completely. All that it requires, CPA marketing simply goes with people clicking, signing up, carrying on simple surveys and simple activities on a particular website, and you get paid money in trickles. Now the question is, this money that you're being paid is not actually much, but if you are able to take this to the next level, which I'll be showing you, then the money compounds and you make a lot of money. Now very simply, let me show you how the CPA marketing works and how you can be able to leverage CPA marketing. Now there are several different CPA websites you can use, but in this video, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be sticking with cpalead.com. So what you want to do, I'm trying to make this as simple and open as possible so that everybody can relate. So what you want to do is to come here and click on CPA lead and click on search. So I made a mistake there, but it redirected me regardless. So what you want to do is to click on CPA lead. Now it's going to bring you here. Now if you're like me, you do not have an account yet, what you want to do, instead of clicking on login, is to click on sign up. So I'm going to click on sign up. Like I said, I'm trying to do this one step after another, so we grow together and do this together. Now it's proceeding to cpalead.com. So it's requiring me to sign up using my email. Now look at what it says. It says email sign up below, first name and all that. Now you can see a number of offers here already. Now the question is, 0.54, is it a lot of money? It's absolutely not a lot of money. But the thing is, this money comes in trickles, but it is the traffic that you generate to this content that you've created that makes all the difference. There are offers here, many offers here. So this offer says you complete this 2-minute survey. So all we want to do is to click on this and see if it's actually a good one for us. So look at what it says. It says complete a quick survey, easy to do, special instruction by advertiser, easy to convert, accept any traffic, yari yari. But this is actually not your business. All you need is an affiliate link. So what you have to do is you come here and copy this. You come to your content that you've created already. Remember, we have a content ready already. So what I want to do is come here and impute this at various places in our blog. So complete a quick survey, probably spice it off a little bit. Complete a quick survey, easy to do, and make money. So you click here. So what you want to do is to copy all of this and embed your link in it. So we want to come here and copy our link, affiliate link, and then quickly paste it here. Ctrl V and apply. So you see this immediately turns to a clickable link. So what you want to do is to copy this and paste it at different places. Alright, so I'm going to copy this, paste it at different locations in this article, such that if the person escapes the first one, the person is still going to get to see the second one. I'm just going to paste it at different locations in this article. And now that we've successfully done that, the next thing we want to do is to publish this article. Right. So we're requested to impute our site name. So I'm just going to copy this and impute it here. And we're good to go. The next thing I'm going to do is to hit on publish. So we're good to go. So it's published already. Now, very importantly, this is a link to our content. So what I'm going to do is copy this link. Ctrl A and Ctrl C. Now, I told you I'm going to show you a simple strategy in which you can use to create content around this. So you want to come on YouTube and click on, you paste it and allow it to search. So you see Patrick Pomet just broke. Now there are about 92k views here, and this was one day ago. So what you want to do is to come here and click on this video, allow it to open, and you go on the comment section of this video and drop simple answers. This is a video that was published one day ago. So I'm going to click on this video that was published one day ago. It has about 62,000 views already. And another thing I'm going to do is to come to the comment section of this video. Hold on a minute, it's going to load. I'm going to come to the comment section of this video and look for the comment with the most performing comment. So in this video there are about 64 comments, 34 comments here. So what I want to do is reply this comment because there are people liking this comment. So what I did was I simply clicked on the Mahomes helmet, right, and came to this comment section and looked for the comment with the highest like. So what I want to do is to write on this. I have written an article on click on the link to read. Now, what link are they supposed to click on? Is a link of our article. So I'm going to come here and copy this link, redirect to YouTube, and paste this link here. And the next thing I do is to reply this. And everyone who sees this, because this is just one day ago, and what this means is simple. People are still going to be watching this video, and a lot of people are still going to be liking this comment. Now what you do is to go over videos like this, videos that are similar, and all you have to do is to keep dropping comments. Now if you have people clicking on your link and redirecting. A lot of people are going to be seeing your article, and then a lot of people are going to be clicking on your CPA link, and in turn are going to be performing this task. And this is only going to fetch you money. Of course, in trickles, like I say, I will be honest with you, it's going to be in trickles. But the more you do this, the more people you get. So what you have to do is to just commit the hard work to this and do this for, let's say, 1 hour every day for YouTube channels, drop comments and all that. And then you get people clicking on your link in trickles. This is how you make money from ChatGPT. If you feel like I gave you value for your time, please do very well to like this video. And if this is your first time here, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.